Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Glorious Media. This is Basav here and today I'm going to talk to you about how to come up with your own successful content marketing for your business. First of all, for those of you who may be knowing what is content marketing is all about coming up with your own video ads or your own photography or your own kind of product images and videos online on social media platforms. It can also be coming on different websites or your own blogs or your own pages which you have created for your own business page or your own business websites. So today I am going to tell you about how to create a good successful content marketing strategy for your own business. So first of all, let's get started. Let's remember one thing. Why is it important for you to understand that what content marketing strategy is all about? Content marketing becomes important when you realize that your products, your service has been purchased more often by your customer. You save your cost of your selling of your own marketing when you utilize content marketing. Content marketing is totally connected with social media platforms. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. These platforms define that how you must have watched many people having their own pages on Instagram. You'll be realizing that why do certain people and certain brands have a lot of followers. You'll be realizing that you'll be watching and browsing a lot on your phone or your tablet or your laptop by looking at these bloggers, influencers, businesses and a lot of other people. You'll be watching that why do they have more followers and why do certain people don't? Well, the question is very simple, because the people who promote and use these social media platforms up to date with a good quality and a good quantity of posts, and the posts which consists of images, reels, images, videos and with a good description, these describes your what content is all about. Basically, this content is utilized for promoting the brand's particular products images, how they can be used in such a way that it may be more user friendly for your customers. It utilizes a fact that how the more engagement you get on your social media platform with your page or a blog, which the content which you have put in, that describes and that comes to a point of conclusion that how do these brands get most of the followings. These followings are not just number of people who just follow a particular brand or a person, because they know the importance these brands get more number of followers and more number of leads or more number of purchases, because they know that they have something to give of a valuable content. A valuable content which describes and connects with them. It connects you with them in such a way that they will be utilizing this content for the longest time, and they know that as a customer or as an engager with this content, I can trust this brand. If you are a photographer, freelancer, an artist, if you are a business, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a motivational speaker, if you are a music creator, you require to understand that your content which you give out first to your audience, this audience will basically engage with your content with the number of qualitative posts that you give out them on your social media platform, and by this, when they get a number of quantitative posts with a period of time, this describes that how they will be engaging with your product or your page or with your content in such a way that they start trusting you. You can convert this content with a CTA. A CTA is all about a call to action, where you may later promote your own book, you may promote your own course, you may promote your own product, sell your own, whatever you want to get the customer done or with the audience that you have created. Basically, when you come out with your own content strategy, you need to realize that you have to be thinking in a brand point of view. A brand point of view is going to make it more easier for you to bring out what kind of content which you want to show your audience with. This will describe that you may have seen many blogs. You may see that a number of blogs of a particular person who has written it in a very short and a span manner. You may be realizing a Facebook page post which is having a very good description, is even an Instagram description with a good photo which he has put. This kind of photo and a description, and with a good blog and a good text which is very precise, clear, simple and reliable. This describes that how you utilize of this content very well. You need to make sure that you use the right SEO tools. You have to use the Google Ads Keyword Planner tool to plan the keywords which you are utilizing in your content. You may also have to make sure that Instagram is also used in the right way. Instagram's hashtags, Facebook hashtags, and also tagging the person or the with which you are utilizing the content is. You need to make sure the content is clear, very precise, to the point, and making them more connected with the point that you want to put. You may come out with a good content, with a good photo and a good video, but if it doesn't have a description, it won't sell. So you need to make sure that that content is sellable. What is the point of creating a content which is not sellable? People may engage with you, people may engage with your product, people may engage with your content, people may engage with the kind of post that you're giving which is wonderful, with a good theme, with a good amount of information which you're giving, but it doesn't have something which can also benefit you. You have to make sure that it has to benefit your audience as well as it has to benefit you. And this has to be made sure with the kind of call to action which you give out to your customers. Make sure that you are not left behind. Make sure there's something for your audience as well. So make sure that you create that content which your audience is looking for, as well as something which you may utilize those engagements and create that and forward it in the way to get something back for you, to get some good amount of earning, to get something to sell. If you have a product to sell, you may promote it, you may write in the description, you may give it out as a free giveaways, you may have a contest, come more live to engage with more customers. Make sure that you utilize this new YouTube Shorts, which make sure that how you come up and show more often yourself by being the brand ambassador for your own product or your own brand. This makes more easier for your customer to know that you represent your particular brand, and this will come up with the kind of content with the brand by mixing both of the things and then coming out with the kind of things your audience is looking out for. Make sure you're regular, make sure you're to the point, and make sure that you are more friendly. And this requires a good amount of good strategy, content marketing strategy planning, which will engage your customers and make your content and your page super successful. Basically, you need to understand that when you create a content, that content has to be having the sign of being viral. A viral content which describes that you are going to give them a product, you are going to give them a content which they may engage with. But if this is short-lived, it's not going to last long. So you need to understand, with a good quality content which has the ability to go viral, you need to create that content for your customers, for your audience, to create that number of followers. To do this, you have to keep certain points in your mind. First is realizing that what is your product, what is your service, and what is something that you can come up with to entertain your audience. The more you will be seen, the more they will engage with your content. The more they engage with your content, the more they believe in you. The more they believe in you, the more the chances of with your content, the product which you're selling gets increased. I have seen many new people coming out with very good content, but they do not have a good strategy in place. They have good skills, they have good methods of promoting, but they don't know how to do it. They don't know how to create this content. They don't understand that just knowing how to create a content is not enough. You also need to give out something which your customer may like. Basically, this is not enough to know that you just creating content and promoting on your page is going to generate you leads or generating those followers which you require to promote and get those sales. You need to understand that you require a content which is qualitative. A qualitative content which means, for example, if you are using a shampoo brand of Procter & Gamble, you may be realizing that how it removes your dandruff, how it removes the hair fall, and how it gives you a very shiny hair. Now, utilizing this idea and coming up with a new way to shoot it, to make it in a form of image, in a good ad format, in a good public relations concept, you will realize that how this concept may convert your content into engaging with those customers or audiences which you want to target with your particular age group. With this age group, you may convert soon and build a good engagement. An engagement which is required for you to promote and engage them more often. But more often doesn't mean that you come up with a lot of quantity content which has no point and has no meaning. You need to make sure that basically it's a concept of keeping the description, a hashtag, or utilizing the right keywords on your blogs. This describes that the images and the videos that you created are basically going to impact your services or the products which you are going to offer. So be very sure in planning your content marketing strategy. This strategy is basically important for your business. Please understand the importance of this content marketing strategy. It comes before social media marketing. It comes before you create the content. Before you create the content, you need to understand that how you are going to make sure that your customer gets a clear idea what is exactly which is user friendly, which is satisfactory, which is something that they can relate to and which they can purchase from your product and from your service. Also, I'll be mentioning to you that today the world has created a world full of content out there. The world full of content describes your brand and your service. If you realize that just having a personal account or having a personal blog is not going to be enough, it has to be something which your customer, your audience can engage to. You may give a number of content with a good quality, and that will describe the kind of strategy which you need to keep in your mind and think about it and plan appropriately before giving out your content to your audience. The more qualitative, the more quantitative, the more better. In the next video, I am going to tell you how to create a good qualitative and a quantity content. And the importance of having a good quality and a quantity content creates the greatest content marketing strategy. I'll thank you for your support, and if you have liked this video, comment on the section below and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.